Hello guys, and welcome back to the Cosmetix YouTube channel. It's festive season and I'm so excited because I want to do a beautiful golden glam and red lip for you guys today. So let's get right into it. First up, we're going to prime and prep that skin because it's all about making sure that your base layer is nice and fresh so that the foundation sticks well. So we're going in with this. It's got an awesome drop at the top. You can see, oh, amazing. It just glides on the skin so well and it smells, oh, amazing. It smells like pomegranates and fresh fruit. So nice for summer. Next up, we're going in with a Poreless primer. I'm just going to use my fingers, get this all over my skin. Okay, time for our Stay All Day 16-hour foundation. Nice pump of that in this foundation brush. And we're going to blend, blend, blend. Next in is the concealer. We're going underneath the eyes and on my forehead just to make sure we are all concealed under there. Okay, my favorite part of a makeup routine is always the contour. I like to get super snatched. So we're gonna go in with this brown concealer. I also love using a liquid just because you can blend it really nicely. And we're gonna take it down here. And down the nose. We gotta spray this face, make sure it stays on all day, especially for Christmas festivities. We need to make sure it sticks. So we're going in with the Fix and Last 18-hour spray. All fresh. Okay, for brows, I'm gonna keep them natural. Just gonna brush them up. So festive season is all about glitz and glam. So we're going in with the Soft Touch eyeshadow. This is the one, Bubbly Champagne, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. So to get that eye nice and defined, we're going in with the Soft Touch Cookie Jar shade. It's like this light brown, beautiful, with some gold in there. We're just going to go in at the crease. We're going to use Lash Like a Boss to make sure my lashes are nice and dark. Go right there. So to further enhance my eye, I'm going to go back with the cookie jar and slightly go under my eye just to define it a bit more. So we're going in with the Make Me Glow highlighter. This is going to go on my cheeks, on my nose. That is so nice. I love a red lip. So this is the 8-hour red lip liner. And I'm just going to define my lips and make sure they're ready for that lipstick. So I want to make this a nice glossy red lip. So we're going in with What the Fake lip gloss. It's all over our lips. Oh, look at that shine. I love it. I'm thinking I'm going to add a nice wing to my look. So we're going in with this black liquid liner. And there you have it, my festive makeup look using all these amazing Essence products, which you can get from Clicks, Discam, Takealot. Everything is in the description box below. I hope you have a blessed festive season with your family and your friends, and I'm sending you lots of love, and we'll see you very soon. Mwah!